Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fun at class party together, step by step. Planning a class party needs maths. We'll multiply for groups, add up costs, and stay within a budget. When the same amount repeats, multiply. 5 tables with 4 chairs each need 5 times 4, 20 chairs. A budget is the money we have. Add up all the costs and make sure the total stays within the budget. 6 packs of juice at 20 rupees. Each cost 6 times 20, 120 rupees. To recap, multiply for equal groups, add costs for the total, and keep spending within the budget. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.